This video will illustrate how to disassemble the SMR module from the Vertec 175 cone. First thing we want to do is grab the insert in the vise in the section between the rings and the back shell. Next thing we'll do, we'll use the pipe wrench here to remove the tail housing. Once this rod adapter is removed, we can use the custom vice grips here to remove this tail housing. We'll also want to use a small section of LEMO harness, or you can use your standard cone cable to keep the LEMO connector from rotating. Once the tail housing is free, we can remove the LEMO cable, cup a hand underneath to catch the two split rings. We'll set these aside. Next, we'll remove the back shell from the SMR module. Again, we'll use our pipe wrench. We want to be very careful when we remove this back shell so we don't damage the SMR insert. Set that aside. Now the next step, we're going to grab the SMR module right here. Now we'll slowly, using steady force, remove the SMR module. It only needs to move about ½ an inch to an inch to disconnect from the front of the cone. Next, we'll use the pipe wrench to remove the SMR module from the cone. While we're removing the SMR insert, we want to use our right hand to grip the insert and keep it from spinning. Now we can set aside the SMR insert. We can reinstall the rod adapter on the cone. We'll use the pipe wrench to tighten the rod adapter. Cone assembly is now complete. Remove the cone from the vise, set it aside. Next, we'll reinstall the SMR insert into the vise. We're going to grip it above the SMR rings. Now we'll reinstall the back shell. We want to make sure that we don't twist this module at all. So again, we're going to be very careful not to damage any components on the insert as we reinstall the back shell. Now, I'm going to grip the LEMO connector with one hand lightly so as not to bend any of the pins as I rotate the back shell. We use the pipe wrench to tighten the back shell. Next, we'll install the split rings and the tail housing. One technique for keeping the split rings in place is to use a section of LEMO cable and insert it into the tail housing. Finally, we use the vice grips to tighten the tail housing. assembly is now complete.